way better than this, bro. People want to we can do way better than this. So like I said, if you're not turning up, we're gonna get real crummy in this bitch.
Y'all really smoking crack now. The sound back down. It's on my first flick. The first to pull the Mac out. I feel like Stackhouse. Oh, one Palace Court. I'm raiding terror. Known for only bringing knowledge for it. Everyone's his last resort. Call me, I'll be right there.